Hey guys, welcome to Login Helps. Today I'll be showing you how to add a payment method to your Steam wallet, and now let's dive right in. Now to add a payment method to your Steam wallet on your Steam account, we can do it from two ways. Either you can log into your Steam account on any browser, or you can just install the Steam gaming software on your PC. Guys, as you can see, as I've already installed the Steam gaming software on my computer, and also I have logged into my account. Now in order to add a payment on your Steam account to your Steam wallet, we can see the Steam icon at the top left corner of your screen. Click on that Steam icon first, and over here you can see the settings option available for us just below the restore game backup. Click on that settings, and over here guys you can see the directly add funds option available for us. Click on that add funds, and over here guys, now there are two ways. Let's go back. One is from here where you can add the funds, but if you're back, let's go back to the settings, and over here you can see the account details. You can click on that too. These are two separate ways to go to the same place, but you will see the difference. But over here guys, you can see there is the add a payment method to this account directly. And now to add payment method guys, you can see this is the payment method addition page where you will be able to choose your cards from over here: Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Discover, and JCB. You can enter these cards into your card number, which may it be, but don't show it to anyone guys. And after that, enter your expiry date, and let's go. And let's, for example, this is not my card guys. If one of you scammers are there looking out for a card, this is not mine. I'm just giving a demo. And similarly guys, don't give your card details away to anybody. And after entering your Visa card, your expiry date, and your security code, this will be available on the back side of your card guys. As any of your card from Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Discover to JCB, these data will be available on the back side of your card. I repeat, and enter your first name, your last name, and after that enter your city over here. Now currently where are you living, and after that enter your billing address line 2, your postal security postal code of your city, choose your country, enter your phone number, and after that guys click on continue, and your desired payment method will be added, or your desired payment method will be added to your Steam wallet on your account. And with that being said guys, this is how you add a payment method to your Steam wallet. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.